Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your Itel A26. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Itel A26 and you are want to change date and time. In order to do that, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here system. After click over system, you're going to see a screen appear just like this. You need to click here date and time. After click over date and time, you can see here this is the date and system time. But when you're going to try to click over on it or customize date and time, it's not up, it's invisible. Here is the things, you need to turn off this use network provided time. If you turn this off, after turn off use network provided time, we're going to see if I now click here date, we're going to see we can easily customize date and time in our phone. If you decide to change the time, also you can easily change the preferred time you want. So in this way you can easily customize date and time. But I will definitely suggest you to turn on these things, which is really very important. For example, you are in Dubai and you went to London, you might be don't know the area London time, but if you turn on your phone, automatically going to be detect that country network and your phone automatically going to appear that local area time. So within this way you can easily change date and time in your Itel A26. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.